Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2016 350 SLX offered by Sea Ray. As you can see, this boat has the nice hard top, nice gray exterior with a white bottom. You can see the windlass anchor up front. Let's head inside. Coming inside this pre-owned 2016 350 SLX, you can see the nice wraparound seating here. This boat is outfitted with all teak flooring. You see the nice teak table. Got a refrigerator here, sink, a nice grill. There's a killer sound system. There's a pull-out cooler. And here we have the head compartment, which again has the upgraded teak flooring in there as well. So there's a nice big bow area. Wraparound seating. It's got Rockford Fosgate speakers. Storage in the floor. This has a nice small lounging area here. Semi hard to see. There's a TV in there. And a nice helm. Got two screens here, both Ray Marine. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.